Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and explorer. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as you can see that after the market opening, we are seeing a normal, typical Monday market where there is not much volatility, just some sort of correction going on. And right now market is standing at 1794. This is the current market price, and as I have already discussed in my previous video, that if we consider this uptrend of the market here, then we can see that right now market seems tired. And if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff again and again and bore you. Okay, so I'll be just keeping the video short. So my dear friends, though market is standing at 1794 level, okay, but you must be very careful. Why? Because the uptrend seems not much convincing right now. I clearly mentioned in my previous video that if the uptrend continues after the market opening, then we can expect the market to reverse from 1812 to 1815 level. This was the resistance for us, because we can see that the trend line at the top is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And before the trend line, okay, under low volatile situation, okay, we were hoping that market would face another resistance around this level as well. But right after the market opening, instead of going up, market failed to climb higher, and we saw market coming down. So as a result, okay, market is heading towards the trend line at the bottom here, the trend line which has been acting as a support for the market, the dynamic support for the market. But keep in mind, okay, this looks like a wedge pattern here. So during the Asian session, European session, when there is not much volatility in the market, when there is not much volume in the market, you can expect the market to bounce from here. But once there will be volatility in the market, once the selling pressure will be high in the market, the trend line will not be able to hold or provide support to the market. I have been telling this from for the last couple of days, that this trend line is not a very strong one. So my dear friends, before taking a buy position at the trend line, you must be careful. So if you see market approaching the trend line during the Asian session, European session, and that there is not much volatility, market is trying to take support, then only take a buy position in this trend line. But otherwise, if you see a same size of a red candle, okay, on this trend line, then do not consider a buy position, okay, because taking a buy position will be very risky. After all, the uptrend seems to be tiring right now, and there's a possibility of market going down as well. So if market breaks the trend line, the next support will be 1778 level. 1778, this is the first support for the market, which is also the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Okay, again, this is not a very strong support. The strong support in this market are around 1765. Okay, around 1765 we have a strong support. Then the second strong support we have around 1760 to 1759. These two are the strong support for the market. 1765 because of previous strong price rejection from below, and here because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as we have the 200 moving average and price rejection from below around this level. So these two are the important or reliable support for the market in case we see a fall in the market. But under normal circumstances, okay, only you can hope the market to bounce from the trend line or from the 1778 level. To be honest, I will be very careful. Okay, personally I will avoid, actually not careful, personally I will avoid taking any buy position at the trend line, and I'll observe the market. Okay, I'll observe the market. If market approaches 1778 level, okay, I'll wait for 1765 or 1760 59 levels only. My dear friends, never forget that we are retail traders, so it's our first priority to protect our capital. As I always say, do not be a gambler, be a trader, and a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So please be careful, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please do your calculation carefully. Okay, bye bye, take care.